Hello, guys, everyone. Welcome to Travel with Sannan bin Mansoor. Hope you are doing fantastic and spending your days perfect. Today, we have an amazing and tremendous opportunity from Sweden. Today, I will tell you how to find a job in the Sweden and which companies right now hiring. So, stick with the video. Let's get started. From understanding job opportunities in both technical and non-technical fields to step-by-step relocation guidance, in this video has everything you need to start. So if living and working in Sweden has been the dream, before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget, and I will share here a step-by-step guide to relocate from your home country. You don't need any agent or a lawyer. This information is 100% free. If you have any question, you can drop a comments in comment section, and you can contact me on WhatsApp. So let's start. Why Sweden? Number one, source of. Let's begin with the most important question where you can find anywhere and trustworthy information about working in Sweden. Every European country has a public employment service that helps job seekers, and Sweden's version is called Helpers. Formulating public employment service, this platform is the official government hand that concerns job seekers with the employers. It provides a wealth information on job vacancies, visa requirements, and other legalities. But let's be honest, government website can be little overwhelming to navigate. That's why I have done the research for you and broken it all down into easy way in this video. So don't worry about, I have covered all the things. Step 2, ways to move to Sweden. There are two primary ways to move to the Sweden, and I will guide you both. Number 1, with a job offer. This is the most straightforward method. Find a job, apply online, and get shortlisted and interviewed, and receive a job offer. Apply for a work visa. Sweden, like many European countries, is experiencing labor shortage in several industries. These high demand sectors include technology and engineering, healthcare, skilled trades, and more. The Swedish Migration Agency regularly updates a list of high-demand professions. I have added the link in the description below. Heads up, the list is Swedish, but Google Translate will be your best friend here. Number 2, without a job offer. Job seeker visa. This route is ideal for you if you can't secure a job while living in your home country. The job seeker visa allows you to move to the Sweden first and find a job once you are there. It's practical and opens more opportunities, especially if you are confident in your skills. I'll dive deeper into this visa in this video, so stay tuned. Step 3, best job portal for the Sweden. Finding the right job portal is key to successful job hunt. With so many options online, it can be overwhelming to know the best way to save your time. Here are the top for the finding jobs in the Sweden orbits. This is Sweden's official public employment service. It features over 120,000 jobs on vacancies and has advanced search filters to help you tailor to your skills and professions. European CV job mobility portal is open with millions job listing across the Europe. It includes over 65,000 jobs opportunity in Sweden alone. It's a fantastic resource for the English-speaking roles and positions in various industries. Freejobs.com. This website specializes in English-speaking jobs in Sweden, covering industries and marketing, tech, and customer services. It's user-friendly and makes filtering job search super straight. Other networthy platforms like LinkedIn, over 10,000 English-speaking jobs are posted there. Career Jetboard, search engine for various industries, technical job, and ideal for tech and engineering roles. Step number 4, crafting a winning CV. Your CV is your ticket to landing a job. To stand out in most European standard CV, highlight relevant skills and experience. Be optimized for applicant tracking system ATS. If you are unsure how to format your CV, don't worry. I have templates available. You can get it on the comments section. Step number 5, job seeker visa detail. If you are unable to secure a job offer from abroad, the job seeker visa is an excellent option. Let's go over the eligibility criteria. You must have a bachelor's master's degree. Number 2, you should have sufficient funds to support yourself. Your stay covering 6 months rent, flight cost and living expenses. Number 3, you need valid health insurance. Your passport must be valid for your entire stay in the Sweden. Step to apply. Gather necessary documents including valid passports, academic certificates, bank statement, proof of health insurance, and submit your application to the Swedish consulate or embassy. These visas allow you to stay in Sweden for 3 to 9th month, and you can extend it while you search for a job. Top companies sponsoring visas in Sweden. Let's talk about that companies actively hiring international workers and offering a sponsorship. Here are the top picks. Think are offering a role in the tech and finance. Number 2, Tetra Pak, a global leader food packaging and solution. Number 3, Ericsson, a telecom giant headquartered in Stockholm. Number 4, Spotify, the world's most popular music streaming service. And number 5, H&M, a retail powerhouse with roles across the different fields. Other notable companies include IKEA, Volvo Cars, Electrolux, and ABB. Explore their career portal to find more opportunities to suit your profile. Relocating to Sweden might seem daunting, but with the right decision, it's entirely achievable whether you are applying directly for a job or are taking a job seeker visa route. Persistence and planning are the key. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more insight.